Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're delving into a topic that can transform your financial journey, the power of passive income. Passive income, simply put, is money that comes in without active involvement. It's like having little money-making soldiers that work for you while you sleep. In this video, we're uncovering various passive income streams that can pave your way to financial freedom. First up, we have the classic rental properties. Owning real estate can be a steady source of income through rent payments. While it requires initial effort in purchasing and maintaining properties, it can provide consistent cash flow over time. Next, let's talk dividend stocks. These are shares of companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you not only benefit from potential capital appreciation but also receive a steady stream of income. Now, let's move into the digital realm with online businesses. Whether it's creating and selling digital products, affiliate marketing, or e-commerce, the internet offers countless opportunities to generate income passively. Once set up, these ventures can run almost on autopilot. Ever dreamed of being a published author or a musician? Royalties could be your ticket. You earn money every time your book is sold or your song is streamed. It's a creative way to generate ongoing income from your artistic endeavors. And here's a modern twist: peer-to-peer lending. Platforms connect borrowers with lenders, and you earn interest on the money you lend. It's a way to grow your wealth by helping others achieve their financial goals. Now, let's talk strategies. Generating passive income requires some groundwork up front, but the rewards can be significant. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. 1. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different passive income sources. 2. Research and learn. Understand the dynamics of each income stream before diving in. Knowledge is your strongest tool. 3. Automation. Leverage technology and systems to automate processes and save time. 4. Patience. Passive income takes time to build. Be patient and give your investments time to grow. And that wraps up our exploration of the power of passive income. By embracing different income streams and applying smart strategies, you're setting yourself up for financial success in the long run. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll catch you in the next video.